Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best 4K camcorders in 2019. To see the price and more information about these 4K camcorders, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Sony FDR-AX100. The Sony FDR-AX100 Full HD camcorder delivers Ultra HD 4K video to the palm of your hand, offering resolutions 4 times out of Full HD. The 1-inch XMOR CMOS sensor is almost 8 times more extensive than that of a conventional camcorder and enabling you to capture cinematic images with shallow depth of field for defocused environments. The camcorder highlights a wide-angle Zeiss Vario Sun RT lens with 12 times optical zoom, plus 24 times clear image digital zoom. Optical steady shot picture stabilization with active mode, gives smooth video and 3-way shape cancelling as automatic roll stability for even softer results. The Sony FDR-AX100 is a handy camcorder that allows you to capture UHD 4K 3840x2160 video at 24 and 30 frames per second. You can also film Full HD 1920x1080 video in ZAVE HD or well-optimized MP4, as well as catch high-quality 20-megapixel still pictures. Media is videotaped to SD or memory stick dual memory cards. Moving on at number 4. We have the Sony 4K FDR-AX33. The Sony 4K FDR-AX33 is a palm-sized camcorder that blends 4K video recording and balanced optical steady shot image stabilization to give clear high-resolution video, even as you follow the action. It is provided with a wide-angle Zeiss lens with 10 times optical zoom and up to 20 times clear image zoom, and it highlights an XR CMOS sensor with Biden's X image processor that gives Ultra HD 3840x2160 resolution video at 24 or 30 frames per second, employing Sony's XAVCS codec. It also records 1080p video up to 60 frames per second in XAVCS or ABCHD, and it catches up to 20.6 megapixels upscaled still images. Videos and photos are teamed to memory stick duo or SD memory cards. You can watch and play back footage on the camcorder's 3.0 extra fine LCD touchscreen display with a 921K dot resolution or the high-resolution 0.24-inch 1555K OLED EVF. An HDMI output port is also presented for connecting to your HD TV to large screen playback for improved connectivity and remote control. The Sony 4K FDR-AX33 is Wi-Fi and NFC enabled. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the Panasonic HCV180K. The Panasonic HCV180K Full HD camcorder makes it simple to catch your subjects in Full HD 1080p resolution, whether from far away or close up. It highlights a wide-angle lens with a 35mm equivalent focal length of 28mm to fit more of your materials into the shot and a large 50 times optical and 90 times intelligent zoom area to bring the action front and center. For easy operation, the camcorder offers 5-axis image stabilization and a level shot function. The coupled to produce a precise level and more stable-looking handheld images. Even when zoomed in, 2-channel zoom might keeps pace with the zoom lens to provide more explicit audio capture. Highlighting a 28mm focal length, the lens enables you to fit more people and more of the background into the frame when you're operating in tight spaces. And because it provides in your subjects even when you film from up close, you can get the camcorder's microphone closer to the action for enhanced audio pickup. At number 2. We have the Sony FDR-AX700. 4K and HDR are now open in an easy-to-use camcorder format with the Sony FDR-AX700 4K camcorder. Utilizing the HLG format, HDR pictures can be recorded and processed for playback on HDR screens. Related to the SDR formats, HDR offers increased color and contrast representation that is instantly noticeable. Dual SD card slots, an LCD in the viewfinder, manual controls, 12x zoom range and a convenient form factor, make the Sony FDR-AX700 an all-around camera for anything from family events to expert filmmaking and videography. 4K recording has made focusing more challenging. The missed focus becomes exponentially more evident with the improvement in resolution over HD formats. Sony Space Discovery Autofocus uses 273 points to lock onto and track materials as they move within the frame. Focus speed and tracking can be modified to fit your project. So whether you're tracking fast-moving transportations, or actors moving via the frame, the AX700 will be capable of keeping up and maintaining a sharp focus. Lastly, at number 1, we have the Sony FDR-AX53. The Sony FDR-AX53 is a palm-sized handycam camcorder that blends a Zeiss 20x optical zoom lens and a high-sensitivity picture sensor to deliver crisp and high-quality UHD 4K video. The XR image sensor carries UHD 4K video capture at 24 or 30 frames per second, utilizing Sony's XAVCS codec, and highlights pixels that are almost 1.6 times larger than the previous model, for improved performance in all conditions, especially low-light scenarios. The camcorder also highlights Sony's balanced optical steady-shot image stabilization technology, to help create smooth and stable footage throughout the zoom range. Further improvements include improved autofocus speed and precision, a lower noise built-in microphone and a high-speed 1080p, 120 frames per second recording mode to produce high-resolution slow-motion content. You can observe your shots utilizing the camcorder's 3.0-inch extra-fine LCD touchscreen display with 921K resolution or the high-resolution 0.24-inch 155K OLED EBM. For large screen playback, HDMI output port is also presented for connecting to your HD TV to the large screen. You can even trim a selected part of a 4K video or picture frame to fill the screen with full HD quality for improved connectivity and remote control. The Sony FDR-AX53 is Wi-Fi and NFC enabled. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.